Today we're taking a look at Torpantau Station. This is a station of two halves, in fact. The southern part has been rebuilt on by the Brecon Mountain Railway for their narrow gauge line, which comes up from Pant. But the original station of the Brecon and Merthyr Tydfil Junction Railway is north of the new road, which has been realigned. As always with these videos, you'll see a number of letters and numbers. These are Ordnance Survey grid references, which refer to the 360s which are in the attached blog to this video. We're just coming up over the site of the old road where the bridge was, and the new realignment, which I think was done in the 1970s at some time. This area is now the old station area. You can see on the right the base of the down waiting room. We're coming to the end of the flight at low level. I don't want to go any further, the trees are in the way, but taking the same run at high level, you've got a better view here of the road realignment. The path to the right is the approximate place the original road. Back over the original Torpantau Station. You can see the coping stones on the down platform are still there. On the up platform, it seems that they've moved in somewhat. I don't know if this is deliberate or earth slippage or what. Before we get to the southern portal of Torpantau Tunnel, it's been dammed to create a small pond, if you like, to dissuade people going through the tunnel. Still worth a wade through though. It's less than 2 feet deep.